Hi, my name is Selah and this is Kova, and thanks for coming back to our channel today. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time. I don't know how long it's been since I've uploaded a video, but I graduated college. I have time for things now. So we're back, and we're back with Selah. So of course that means we're doing a challenge video. We don't really know what to call this video, but you count the number of shades in a palette and then you randomize the numbers 3 times. And you use those 3 numbers, like the coordinating shades, to create a look. So we're gonna use a random number generator on my phone. I'm gonna try to use editing magic to put the screen recording up there, but I don't know if it's gonna work. So that's what we're doing today. So we're gonna use the James Charles palette. It has 40 shades. We're both gonna get 3 random numbers that coordinate with the shade. Are you going first or me? I'll go first. Okay, 14, 25, and 6. Okay, and then mine are 34, 10, 28. My colors are these right here, and also, which one was that? Oh, this one over here, this green. So I think I'm just gonna do kind of a smoked out green look with some copper on it. And I got this shade right here, this shade, and was it that one? No, that one? That one, I think. Okay, that's the other shade I have to use. I'm gonna cut that out.
I just wanted to pop in and let you guys know that I used the wrong shade throughout the entire video, and the entire video is a mess. And the mess starts here.
I swear to God, if you put that in there.
I'm starting out with some browns because I don't know what to do.
Starting out with browns is always a good way to go.
But as you guys know, I've been gone for a while. I kind of want to look up when my last video was because I have no idea. So my last video was last Valentine's Day. And oh my God, so much has changed since then. Life is different job. I graduated college. I kind of miss school already.
So angsty.
It does sound very angsty, but also
teenage life sucks. But like, really, it really does.
It does. You couldn't pay me enough to
like,
be a teenager again. Okay, so I've been blending these browns for like 10 years. I gotta look at my numbers again because I can't remember which one it was.
Who is this one? I remember.
I'm gonna start putting the dark blue, which I think is the last number that I drew. I really don't know what I'm doing, so I'm just gonna put it on my lid, I think. Does it look bad?
No.
I made a bad face. So this is what I have so far. I've used one of the colors.
Oh my God.
So I have the shimmery blue left, and then this like shimmery, what is that? Like a peach color. How many of you used so far?
Okay, so as of right now, none of them.
I'm not sure if what I'm trying to do is gonna work out, but we're gonna see. Oh God, this is not what I thought was gonna happen. Oh God. All control is gone at this point. There's no fixing what's happening here other than lashes.
I've done some really ugly eyeshadow, and then you put lashes on top, and it just looks better.
It's better today because I'm not feeling this.
Okay, wait, this could...
You are a loud breather. That's something you need to know about yourself.
It's my deviated septum, it's a physical effect, and I can't help it.
You can't blame everything in your life on your deviated septum. It's literally the cause, Melissa.
Okay, so I'm gonna take some of that third shade, and I'm not sure if this is cheating, but I'm gonna use the third shade as like my highlight. So we finished the face, and I'm about to do my lower lash line and throw on some lashes. So I'm gonna go back in with that same dark blue. Ew, I really hate what I just did. I think it's really pretty. That'd be such a pretty fall look. So I'm just about to apply some lashes. These are I think these are the Ardell Wispies, which are super cheap and you can get them from like a drugstore. So these are the looks that we created from the random number palette challenge. I don't really know what it's called. What do you think about yours?
I like it.
I like yours. It's really pretty. Little fall colors.
Yeah.
Can I help you?
Oh my god, my nose right. I did that.
So this is definitely not a look I would normally do. So that's something I really like about the challenges that we
It's
do.
very like editorial.
Yeah.
It's very like Vogue.
And I don't think that's something you would normally do too, but I really
never
like
go
it.
this dark, honestly.
So that's something I like about these challenges. It kind of makes us go outside of our comfort zone and just try new stuff with makeup. I am so happy to be back filming videos. I'm so excited. So you'll be seeing a lot more of me, a lot more of her. So just keep an eye out for my next video. And thank you guys for all of your support. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, all of that.
Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I had a lot of fun.
Yes, so did
everything
I.
turned out really great.
So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for your support. And I will see you guys next time. What was the second color I had? Was it this?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm positive. You have this, and some other fucked up shit.
A lash will save that ass.
And that's on makeup.